stronger than me. You seem to know what's right or doesn't work for you. Always know what's wrong, tell me what can I do? You'll never understand, I like to drive the long way home. Whatever you see, it's not me. I will mind, off your mind again. Whatever you see, it's not me. I'm a dog without a leash, a bird without a cage. I wanna make things right, now but it's too late. I cannot give more, do the best I can. Don't you? Instead of watching me, take a look at yourself. Why are you afraid of being on your own? Why don't you just figure it out and leave me all alone? Whatever you see, it's not me. I've been on and off your mind again. Whatever you see, it's not me. You and your fairy tale. Whatever you see, it's not me. Your mind gets blurred and I cannot forget. Whatever you see, it's not me. Now tell me what's wrong. It's too late, but I'm okay. You can leave a message, I will read it. I'll beg for you, darling. Whatever you see, it's not me. I'll be on and off your mind again. Whatever you see, it's not me.